Hello, this is Megha. I'm from Burma, Myanmar. So I've come to CK Birla Hospital to get my weight loss surgery done with Dr. Saggu. So I've been overweight all my life. I'm currently weighing 135 kgs. I have a lot of other issues like I'm pre-diabetic, I have PCOD, I have shortness of breath, I cannot do much exercise. So I get easily tired from day-to-day activities. I've done many other things before like exercise, yoga, and then gastric balloon, endoscopic gastric balloon, but everything turned out to be a failure. And then I had a video consultation with Dr. Saggu. He explained to me about this procedure, mini gastric bypass, and then I was very nicely explained the whole procedure. So now I'm ready for my surgery, hoping everything will turn out well and I'll recover very soon, as convinced by Dr. Saggu.
Hi Megha, how are you?
I'm good.
You're looking very good.
Thank you.
So, when was your surgery done?
Yesterday.
Okay. And what surgery it was?
Mini gastric bypass surgery.
What is your experience about surgery?
So, very good experience, not much pain. And like you can see me now, just yesterday I had the surgery and today I'm all good walking around, climbing up and down.
When you started your liquids?
Just the same evening yesterday.
Okay, yesterday you started your liquids and
yes.
Today you are climbing up and down?
Yes.
Oh, good. What about the pain?
Very minimal, very minimal.
Okay.
Just a little slight uncomfortable feeling, that's it.
Have you thought of that this surgery would be so comfortable for you?
No, I didn't, because before also I had another type of weight loss surgery done, but it was totally completely different feeling than that.
Okay, but this was comfortable?
Yes.
Hi guys, today we are with Miss Megha from Myanmar, and I would say she is a true fighter because she took a very good decision for the weight loss and for all the problems which she was facing. Let's have a discussion with her and ask her the truth. And what is your experience with the surgery? It's been not even 24 hours of your surgery.
Yes, so the surgery went very well. I was very well taken care of, and now as you can see me in less than 24 hours, I'm like a healthy person moving around, climbing stairs again. So it's just like a very basic procedure.
And what is your experience about the hospital and your surgeon?
And about the hospital and the surgeon, the hospital itself is very neat and tidy, just like how I like it. For the surgeon, I know that I was in the best hand.
How would be your follow-up?
Yes, as advised by you, so I'll be coming for a follow-up, and then until then I'll be taking my normal clear liquid diets, and then move up to protein, and then step by step.
Yes.
Since you're keeping in touch with me on WhatsApp also, then maybe we can discuss, and I'll always be here for my follow-up.
What would be your message to my audience or viewers?
So my message to all the viewers would be that if you're thinking to get weight loss surgery, then don't take much time, just make the decision, just come and consult with Dr. Saggu, and I can promise you're in safe hands. Just look at me. Yesterday was my surgery and today I'm sitting here fit and fine talking to all the viewers today.